Hi, this is Sharon Brolio, and I'm here to show you how to create a digital asset in ClickFunnels and also how to use the digital asset. So the first thing you need to do after you've logged into your account is go up to this bar and go over to Account. You're going to scroll down until you see Digital Asset. Click on that and it's going to bring you to this page. Now it says add new asset, but I want to show you I've got a lot of digital assets already in here, and I have them for videos, for my ebook, for a lot of articles that I've written, for contact information, terms and conditions. So you can use these digital assets for anything. And the reason that I have them is when I create, for instance, like my ebook or some other, like my privacy policy, I don't have a URL for that I can use on my web page. So when I create a digital asset, I'm able to create a URL, and that means that I can then go to my web page and make it a clickable link because I do have a URL. So what I'm going to do is click Add New Asset, and I'm going to click on this one, Facebook Objectives, and you simply go over to Choose File. And this is going to bring me to my Windows file, and you go into your Documents. And I have a file by the name of Sharon in my Documents, so I'm going to double click on that. And I'm going to go down, and here I have an article that I wrote on Facebook Objectives. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go down to Open and click on that. Now what's going to happen is it's going to load after I click Create Digital Asset. Now sometimes it takes a while for it to load, and if it does, just get out of that and go back in and try it again. But most of the time it will work very well like it does here. Now when it activates, it's going to be the very last one here. I have one here that I left in here because I want to show you. If you want to get rid of an asset, all you do is click on Remove Asset. So you're going to hit the Edit key and then Remove Asset. And here it says Digital Asset was successfully deleted. So you know that it's no longer there. So now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Edit. It's got my Facebook Objectives, and then this is the new URL. So I'm going to click on Select All, which is a right click, and then I'm going to do a Control C to copy it. I'm going to click on the X to get out of it, and what I want to do with this is I want to make a clickable link on one of my pages. So I'm going to go up to Funnels, Browse Funnels, and I'm putting this funnel together. It's called Help for Online Marketers, and I have a page called Facebook Essentials that I'm working on. So we're going to let it load up here, and as soon as that loads, then we're going to click on Edit Page. So there it's loaded. Now I'm going to click on Edit Page. So it's loading into the editor. And as you see, I have Facebook Objectives here. Now, I forgot to take that out, so I'm just going to take that link out and show you how to do it. So here I have an article that I wrote, and I want to make it a clickable link. And I don't want the orange box around it. What I would do is click on it until this blue box comes up. And so now I'm going to highlight this and click on this link. Now you see a blank box here, and there's a pound sign. What you need to do is put your cursor directly in front of that pound sign and hit the back key, backspace, and it'll take it away. And this is where you're going to paste your URL. Now I just copied it from the digital asset. So now all I have to do is hit Control V as in Victor, and it's pasted in there. And then I'm also going to go over here and change, because I don't want this blue. Click on the color, and I'm going to move this plus sign up here. And as you see over here, the intensity of the color, I want black. So I'm going to click on it down there. And now I click off of it, and now it's underlined. So that tells me that it is a clickable link. Another little trick that I want to show you is I also have an Excel spreadsheet. So I have my objectives, my Facebook objectives article here, and right here is the URL for it. So for instance, if I was working on some other pages and I didn't want to go into digital assets every time in ClickFunnels, I can just simply go in here and copy it from here and then paste it into wherever I want as well. So that's just a little shortcut. And I do that with everything, whether it's articles or colors or any type of URL that I'm trying to save. I will put it in my Excel spreadsheet so I have easy access to it. But right now I'm going to show you, we put that URL in there, but now we have to save it. So you're going to go over to the right, click on Save, and then we're going to preview it. Now I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to stop my little video here, but I'm going to click on this, and now my digital asset, which is my Facebook objectives, the article is going to come up because I was able to create the URL in the digital assets. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to put it on my web page and show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to click back on the back arrow. This is going to again show you the page that you would see. And again, this is a work in progress, but I just wanted to show you how this works, why it's important, and I use this on a constant basis, and I'm sure you will as well. So I hope you found this informative, and I will see you next time on my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.